Welcome, history enthusiasts. Today, we journey to the heart of Paris to explore one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Prepare to be awestruck by the soaring spires and intricate architecture of Notre Dame Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece has stood as a symbol of Paris for centuries. Construction of Notre Dame began in the 12th century and was completed in the 14th century. The cathedral is renowned for its flying buttresses, stained glass windows, and intricate carvings. The most famous feature of Notre Dame is its three-rose windows, which bathe the interior in colorful light. Did you know that Notre Dame Cathedral was originally painted in vibrant colors? These colors have faded over time, but traces of them can still be seen. Notre Dame Cathedral has played a significant role in French history and culture. It was the site of coronations, religious ceremonies, and public events. The cathedral was also featured in Victor Hugo's famous novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. In 2019, Notre Dame suffered a devastating fire that destroyed much of the roof and spire. However, thanks to extensive restoration efforts, the cathedral is being rebuilt and is expected to reopen to the public in the coming years. Notre Dame Cathedral is a symbol of Paris and a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity. Thank you for joining me on this historical journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Unveiling Art with Sophia for more art history revelations. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of art.